Hey! Alright, so today we want to look at standard form. Right, so at the end of this video, I would love if you would have learned how to do standard form and use standard form to solve different problems. Alright, but before we get into standard forms, let's do some revision. Let's go. Alright, so we're going to look at powers of 10. 10 to the first power is what? I know you got it. It's 10 because 1. Any number raised to the power of 1 is the number. And also, the one is saying that there's 1 0 in this answer because we're looking at powers of 10. So yes, our answer is 10. Alright, what about 10 to the third power? Alright, so 10 to the third power is saying that we're multiplying 10 3 times. 10 times 10 times 10. And that is equal to, of course, 1000. Now if you look at it, a 0 here, 0 there, and a 0 there. And in our answer, we have how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So once you're multiplying by powers of 10, the power actually tells you how many zeros should follow the 1. Alright? 10 to the 0 power. So the 0 power is actually saying that for this power of 10, there will be no 0. So that means our answer is what? 1. Of course. Alright, so now we have 10 to the negative 1 power. Remember in our video, looking at indices and we're looking at negative index. How did we say we could get and convert a negative index to a positive index? I hope you remember, or you can go revisit that video. So we said that we make a fraction with 1 being our numerator, and we put that index in our denominator and make the power positive. So it would be 1 divided by 10 to a positive 1 power. We know that's once it's raised to the first power, then we don't even have to put the 1 because the answer would be the 10. So 10 to the negative 1 power is actually a fraction, which is 1 divided by 10. And if we convert that to a decimal, it would be 0.1. And just in case you're wondering how we got 0.1 when we convert it to a decimal, let's take a look. So we have 10 out here being divided. 1 divided by 10. So 10 cannot go into 1. So we now put a point right there. And we add a 0. And now we can say 10 into 10, 1. So that is how we got 0.1. Alright, so I don't have to tell you this one. 10 to the 7th power. Remember what we said earlier? The power, when you're multiplying by powers of 10, the power or the index actually tells you how many zeros should follow the 1. So 10 to the 7th power, we just know that we need to put 1 followed by 7 zeros, which is 10 million. Yeah. Alright, so let's look at this number. Personally, I can't even call this number. Now, how do I even say this number, you know? The calculator only gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 digits, right? And this is way past 12 digits. What could possibly be this big? What number could possibly be this big? Do you know? Atoms in the human body. Now, if we were supposed to work with numbers as big as these every day, it would take up a lot of our times, because I mean, just trying to say this number takes a lot of work, and that is where standard form comes in. It's a shorthand way of writing big and small numbers easily. So standard form has two parts: a number between 1 and 10, and it's multiplied by 10 to the power of a number. In our next video, we'll give you some more details. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.